I want to demonstrate how to create and use sliced graphs. So this is a data model with CPI coming from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, and we have year-on-year inflation here showing over time from 2014 through 2022. On the right is a sliced graph of that, and I want to briefly go through how you actually create things. So I'll start with this graph. I'll just add a new empty graph, bring in year-on-year inflation, which will immediately give us the regular over time behavior. But then if we go to the wrench panel, we see that there is a slice series every, and I'll put in 12. This is a model that runs in months, so 12 months is 1 year. And as soon as I do that, you'll see we get this kind of a graph. Now the labels aren't exactly what we want. So in order to get the labels right, we go into the graph, and instead of entering anything, we enter a comma separated list of things. And if I got that right, we should now have the labels showing up. And we see along the axis is year and month, which doesn't really quite make sense. So we go Format, Time, select Month Only, which is one of the time axes built into this model. And now we have the same graph that is shown there.